To come from RJ Telucos of the Bulletin.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, regarding your meeting with the German Chancellor, we understand you were able to discuss the drug war, the developments of the drug war with the German Chancellor. Maybe, if you were able to discuss with the Chancellor the ICC investigation in the case.
Yes, he brought it up in the lunch, and he just basically asked the status of that investigation into the drug war in the previous administration. And I explained to him our concerns over jurisdiction that we have explained many times over. Our concerns with the jurisdiction of the ICC in the Philippines and why it is why we are not recognizing that jurisdiction. The reason behind that. So I think we just wanted to be informed. But I went further beyond just explaining the position of the Philippines vis-a-vis the ICC. I also went further and said we have actually completely changed the concept of the anti-drug campaign, which is something that I've said before, even before the election, is that, in my view, the enforcement can only take you so far, and we have taken it as far as we can, and maybe in the opinion of some, we've taken it beyond. So, kailangan natin tignan is the prevention and the rehabilitation, which is, I think, a different approach. So, we have a much different approach, and he listened to my explanation. I think he was satisfied.
So yun mga boss, ito yung latest na sinabi ni PBBM tungkol nga sa kanyang drug war at itong ICC mga boss, no? At binigyan din niya dito ng statement na yung dating administration tungkol nga dito sa pag-imbestiga nila sa drug on wars ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte at itong pagpasok ng ICC sa bansang Pilipinas. So ilang beses na rin sinabi ni PBBM na hindi niya nire-recognize ang ICC dito sa ating bansang Pilipinas. So hindi sila pwedeng pumasok mga boss. So ilang beses na rin sinabi at ulit-ulit na sinabi yan ni PBBM. So, tungkol naman sa drug on war ay iba yung style na ginawa ni PBBM mga boss, no? Kung pwede nga bloodless ang kanyang sinabi at di kagaya ng dating administration na madugo talaga yung drug on war na ginawa ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So tinuldukan na ni PBBM itong usapin sa ICC mga boss, no? Hindi niya nire-recognize ang ICC dito sa ating bansang Pilipinas. So ano masabi nyo tungkol dito sa statement ni PBBM mga boss?